Double tap to activate.
And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove or turn off this annoying noise to your Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, the first things you can do is first, okay, you can select the settings, okay. So if you are not see the settings on this screen, okay, you can scroll to the left or to the right to find the settings using your two finger. Okay, here are the settings now, and you'll have to do is tap the settings.
Settings. Double tap to activate.
You can hear the sounds. Okay, you'll have to do is double tap again the settings to activate. Okay, and that's it. We have successfully activated the settings. And okay guys, now you'll have to do is scroll down by use this two finger on screen and find the shortcuts and accessibility. Okay, you can tap this and double tap again. And after that, okay, here in shortcut and accessibility, you can see below the accessibility. You can tap this and double tap again to activate. Here in accessibility, you can see the Talkback. So you can tap the Talkback and double tap again to activate. And now you can see the use Talkback here. So if the Talkback is on, the switch button is enable or turn on. So now to remove the annoying sound to your Vivo Y02t mobile phone, you'll have to do is turn off the use Talkback or turn off this button on the right side of this use Talkback. Okay, you can tap this and double tap again to turn off. And the pop-up are shown. And now you can stop the Talkback by select or tap the stop button. And now you can double tap the stop button. And now the Talkback or annoying sound to your Vivo Y02t mobile phone is now removed or turned off. And okay guys, okay, go back. And that's it. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.